The garage is the biggest treasure of my family. Not only is my car parked in it, but also many precious collections from childhood to adulthood are stored here. So, the garage space needs to be very safe. The new Ranger Duo I bought is a personal bodyguard for my garage. With it, I can see two spaces clearly at the same time. It's very easy to install. After installing the wires, you can directly connect to the app for use. It's very compact, which is really necessary in a small and crowded place like a garage. Its dual lenses can take care of the safety of two areas at the same time. The field of view of the fixed lens can lock my car for a long time and ensure the safety of the car. The mobile camera can be turned to another angle area to monitor my collection. Ranger Duo is equipped with ImouSense, which can perform accurate humanoid recognition. Once someone appears in the surveillance field of view, the product will immediately send an alarm to the mobile phone. We can scare off the intruder through two-way intercom. At the same time, the moving camera will intelligently track and rotate at all times until the intruder leaves the warehouse. The lens of Ranger Duo provides multiple mode switching. Even at night, you can see every detail clearly. If you compare Ranger Duo to a person, I think it is a smart and agile little boy. It really takes good care of my garage. If you also have a lot of treasures in your garage, choose Ranger Duo. Keep your secret space safe.